Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to use video watermark on YouTube Beta to generate subscribers. Okay, so first you have to go to YouTube Studio Beta, then select settings from here and go to channel from this option and select branding and choose your image. Your image has to be 150 by 150 pixel and it has to be lower or equals to 1 MB, and select entire video from here so that your channel icon or watermark can remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel throughout the video. As you can see on my video here, there is the only dreamscape option. You can subscribe to my channel clicking on it. So it's my demo video, and as you can see, it's done. Here is the subscribe option. So yeah. So as you can see, it's easy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon. And again, if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Please don't. And follow these links here to watch more awesome videos like this. Awesome.